Hi, my name is Susie. I grew up camping. I felt like an imposter because everybody was asking me if I knew this or that or the other thing. So I came to the school because I wanted to know more about everything and how it works so I can get rid of that imposter syndrome. Well, in 2019, I had planned on coming, but my husband got diagnosed with brain cancer. So I had to put everything on the back burner. All this time that my husband was sick, I just kept thinking, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? How am I going to make a life for myself and my kids? He passed this past July. So I've come to the school to learn more, to get my life going, and I feel like it's going to be so good. And I am super excited to get moving on to the next thing. I'm going to be specializing in tank cleaning, so I'll be adding a whole bunch of different aspects to my business, and I just can't wait. If you're thinking about coming to the school, you're on the fence whether you want to or not, you're worried about the money, it's an investment in you because I am learning so much, and it's not just the RV part, it is everything. It's business, it's relationship, it's everything in the business world. So just do it. Now's your time.